It's you that bites, Griffin. You step up. Where's Blue, Griffin? Where's Blue? Where's Blue? Show the Blue. Hey, Blue. Hello, my little gorgeous bird. Where's Blue? Blue, what you doing? Ripping papers up. What are you doing? Bad bird, bad bird. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You. Blue, she's on a cage. Where's Mummy? Mummy's in the shower. Well, come here then, see us. Go on, see Dad. Come see Dad. You are a clever boy. You're a gorgeous boy as well. No, do you want a scratchy? And a cup of tea. Knock knock. Knock knock, Griffin. Are you poopy? Oh God, you're always pooping, man. That's all you do. You poop. You pooped. You're telling lies. You're telling me the truth? I think you're talking out your bum. Are you? You're a good boy sometimes. But you're telling Daddy a load of lies at the minute. Do you want a cup of tea? Griffin, cup of tea. Knock knock. Knock knock. Where's Humpty Dumpty? Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. No? All right. Where's Bouncy Birdie? Bouncy Birdie. Yeah. The cucaracha, the cucaracha. Sing your little cucaracha, because you're good at that. Well, you're getting quiet now, like. Yeah? Where's Blue? Where's Blue, Griffin? Where's your Blue? What's the matter? What's the matter? You're going quiet. Huh? You're going quiet. No, is that it then? Switch this off. Because you're not going to say no more, are you? You're clumped up.